Welcome back to another crypto video. Okie dokie, we're going to look at Solana today. Hope you're doing fantastic. By the way, if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. So Sol is trading at $101.29 after that massive market blip. And I think it might just be over now. So rank 7, can you believe it? $31 billion market cap. Solana has just climbed the ladder like over the last 6 months tremendously, and yeah, I think we've taken some big correction now. Over 30 days we are down 50%. Over the 2 weeks we are down 30%. So yeah, do subscribe to the channel, guys. That'd be amazing. Big thanks to the patrons. If you want to become a patron, you will get yourself a free ebook, one-to-one messaging, and also access to the Discord channel. So do join that if you are interested. Quite a close-knit family-like community. So we're going to jump into the charts today, and the first thing, pardon me, I noticed is that, you know, on the daily time frame, we actually were oversold. Look at that, 25 RSI. And the other interesting thing is that we found perfect support at that $86 level, which perfectly aligns with the 0.786 Fibonacci support. So it makes me think, you know, are we coming up to retest those next resistance levels? Could we realistically say $124 from here is a pragmatic price target? Well, you know, I think that it very well could be. If we hop into the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are now consolidating. We did find that big bounce at this 86 level, and $124 would be the next pretty much key resistance. You can see where we had the swing low. We've got that resistance now along here, and we've got a lot of support along here. So we're sort of trading in this range right now, and lots of different things could happen. It's very, very hard to predict the future, but I mean, for instance, we could quite simply get a double bottom play out, and then we break to the upside. I'm not saying we're going to immediately take a V-shaped recovery, but you know, these things do take time. So we're underextended on the 20-day moving average. We can see that it's usually quite a bullish sign, but the fact we have found support right here on this 88 level, this 0.786 Fibonacci, is absolutely critical, and it's very good that it did find support at this level. You can see that we're just getting a bit of rollover here now from this $103 level, but I do think it's likely we're going to see that continuation now to the upside and perhaps retest that $128 zone before busting back through to that 140, you know, that whopping price target, because I'm still very, very bullish on this particular project, and we've just put through a lower, well, a higher low. It's not necessarily a bad thing, you know. It could just look like this. Maybe this is just going to be a lot of accumulation, and I think, you know, these opportunities only present themselves ever so often. Say, check that out. This could be a key accumulation range where effectively we would have, you know, the way I visualize it, like a massive cup. Who's to say that we won't have this big market lull, you know? Maybe even something like this where we just trade within this accumulation range for a long time. It's very, very possible to happen, and if we did trade within that range, it would be super, super good for accumulating, you know, sort of just uppy, downy, bam, and then all the way through to those parabolic movements. That's how I visualize this. That is literally how I visualize it, because that's what happened over here. You can see, you know, what have we done correction-wise? I bet they're similar, 63%. Okay, let's look back retrospectively in May. Correction-wise was, come on, 68%. So 63% correction here, 68% correction here. Of course, it looks much worse because you're playing with bigger numbers. But these are both just major corrections. 1, 2, 3, right? And then you're more likely to head back to the upside in such situations. So this is basically this all over again. What you see in May, June, July, August, you're seeing again January, February, March, April. We don't know how long it's going to take. You know, we don't know how long. The distribution phase was 78 days. Maybe expect an accumulation phase of 100 days, 70 days, 80 days, 90 days. Don't expect this to be, you know, bang. I mean, it's crypto. It could happen. But we don't want that, because with volatility and euphoria and thrill comes corrections. We want steady growth, sideways trading, consolidation, because then we can get much healthier impulse to the upside. So that's what I'm seeing here, guys. I hope you do enjoy the video, by the way, and if you do, remember, smash that subscribe, hit the like button and all of that. So basically what's going to happen, I think we're going to retest 124 quite soon. Otherwise we're going to trade within this sort of range for a long period of time. This, or 124 to $94, you know, maybe we can even break that support level and come back down to 86 one more time. We don't truly know what's going to happen, but I do see this ultimately, if you zoom out, even on the weekly time frame, it just looks like another accumulation phase. So all of this, very similar to all of this. You can just see that swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Look how similar they are, the structure. A, B, C, A, B, C. You know, maybe you get another A, B, C, A, B, C. And the next, you know, let's even imagine what happens. So this impulse was 800%. Okay, let's assume diminishing returns, so 350%. This is just all assumption. Well, let's say one of our price targets. Okay, and then we make a Fibonacci retracement on that point. Let's say we corrected the 0.618. Then we would come down to about this particular price level. So that's something I can see potentially happening in the future. Something just like that. And I think patterns are so important. Waves, emotional expansion in the market is so important. You know, the expansion and contractions of emotions such as fear and greed. As you can see, greed, fear. Fear equals greed. When you're in greed, you can't get more greed. There's a limit. So then you see more fear. And this is particularly why I think buying Solana at this price level is very, very good, because the upside potential is massive. So anyway, I hope you're not bored of my voice. You probably are. But that's the video today on Solana. Just wanted to talk about it long-term potential. So hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, be very careful with your investments and what you choose to do. Don't throw everything into, you know, a particular project just because of a video you see online. Do your own research, because it's not financial advice. But if you did like the video, consider becoming a patron. Thank you so much to these 4 lovely people. You know, they got their ebooks, they're loving them. They also in the Discord, so if you want to join the Discord, you'll be very, very welcome on board. So do subscribe, hit the like, leave a comment down below. See you in the next video, guys. So take it easy. Bye now.